The ultimate breakfast food list you should eat daily. Often recognized as the most critical meal of the day, breakfast has been the subject of many discussions. You can kickstart your day with good energy levels, positive mood, and good health simply by eating a nutritious breakfast. Studies have shown that having a healthy breakfast results in more nutrients being consumed and subsequently leads to better health. Thus, what food should you eat in the morning for feeling great and having enough energy for the whole day? The best options are 10 morning foods that are very nutritious and quick to prepare. 1. Eggs. Having eggs is a roasting choice for breakfast. Eggs are a perfect source of sodium and potassium that makes from fat and carbs, keeping you feel full and satisfied. It is said that a study illustrated the results of a breakfast with eggs on the deficiency of daily calorie intake. Moreover, the egg yolks containing antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin are very effective in promoting eye health. Fry them with whole grain toast or different vegetables like sautéed, scramble them, or make an omelette with them. 2. Oatmeal. Cold oatmeal is the breakfast of champions. It has 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber per cup, along with important minerals such as iron and zinc. Adding beta-glucan fiber to the oats can have the effect of decreasing the bad cholesterol levels, thus improving the health of the heart. Mix your oatmeal with milk and almond butter for the extra nutrition. 3. Flaxseed. These minuscule seeds are but a few of the various plant species capable of inhibiting weeds. Flax seeds contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower bad cholesterol and decrease inflammation. They are also packed with fiber and protein. Toss them into your smoothies or use them as a topping on your yogurt for an extra nutritious treat. 4. Berries. Berries are a real treat for breakfast as they are not only sweet but also colorful and full of the antioxidant that the human body needs. Research indicates that people who eat more berries are less likely to get heart diseases. They are ideal in smoothies, on yogurt, or simply as a snack. Just make sure that the frozen berries that you buy contain no added sugar. 5. Whole wheat toast. First, keep in mind that whole wheat bread is not just a simple carbohydrate, it's a nutrient-dense option that keeps you full. It is fiber-rich and contains significantly fewer calories than white bread. You can complement it with eggs or nut butter to further diversify the nutritional composition. 6. Nuts and nut butter. One of the best ways to start the day is with the nuts. They are filled with protein, beneficial fats, and dietary fiber. Studies have revealed that eating nuts consistently can reduce the chances of having cardiovascular issues. One of the easy-to-use options is that nut butter can be used in many recipes. For instance, it can be used on bread, in the preparation of drinks, or with fruit. 7. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are the best solution if you are in a hurry, but still want to have a breakfast rich in protein. They are low in calories and fill you up. Adding your favorite fruits, vegetables, or seeds for extra nutrition is a great idea. Just make sure you choose options without added sugars or artificial sweeteners. 8. Bananas. Bananas are not only rich in potassium, they are also fiber and other nutrients. These help with proper digestion, and moreover, thanks to their energy-boosting properties, you will feel energized. Besides, you can top your oatmeal or smoothies with banana slices that will give you an extra special taste. 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a wonderful option for breakfast. It is very rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are most helpful for the health of the digestive system. It can be combined with fruits, nuts, or seeds, which makes a tasty and filling meal. Choosing varieties that have no added sugar is the way to go for a healthy option. 10. Coffee. And now we can discuss coffee. It's not just an amazing beverage for you to start your day, it is a source of antioxidants. It has been established that coffee drinking is connected to lower risk of diabetes and that it can be a natural way of speeding up your metabolism. The only thing to bear in mind is to keep it uncomplicated. No added sugars or creams are necessary for you to enjoy the health benefits. Introducing these foods into your morning ritual can result in significant enhancement in your energy and health. A positive breakfast is the first step in a good day, so you should make it a good one. In case you discovered this article valuable, please do not forget to like, share it, and also subscribe for more useful content in the future.